Java tutorial series where we will be learning about if statements. Now, if statements saying if this is true or if this meets these certain conditions, then you're going to do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the easiest way to test an if statement is to make a variable. So I'm just going to make a double, and let's name it car again. I don't know. And then let's set car to a variable. So car is equal to 15.5, 1.5. Okay. Alright, so now that we have a variable set, let's go ahead and let me show you the syntax for the if command. So you probably guessed it, it's if. So if, and then you set your conditions inside parentheses. So let's say if car is equal to, okay, let me stop right here. So one thing to note is if it's one equal sign, that means set it equal to it. If it's two equal signs, that means check to see if it is equal to it. So we say if car is equal to 1.5, which it is, then we're going to do this. So we're going to open up curly braces, and let's tell it to output something. System.out. Let's tell it to say you have 1.5 cars. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this and see if this works. Alright, take a while here. So it's gonna load up. There it goes. It's kind of slow today. You have 1.5 cars. Okay, so it ran through here, said okay, we're in the main method, and then we make a car variable. Excuse me, can't talk today. And we're gonna set car to 1.5, and then we're gonna come down here. Okay, so if this car right here, this variable is equal to this, then we're going to do this. Okay, and we check it, and it is, so it does this. But what if it isn't equal to that? Then there's this thing called else. And what else does is, if you open up curly braces again, then you can say, okay, so if this isn't it, you could put system.out.println. And so if it goes through all of these, you can have as many if statements as you want. So you can run it through tons of if statements. So, and if none of these fit, it's going to go to the else. So this is kind of the extra catch. So it runs through all these tests, and if it doesn't go through any of these tests, it goes through the else. So let's say, I don't know how many cars you have. Okay, so let's try this. So let's take car and go put some random number. Alright, so then let's go ahead and run this. It says I don't know how many cars you have, because it runs through here. It says okay, so if car is equal to 454, then it's going to say you have 454 cars. But car is still equal to 1.5. So it says, okay, so that's not it. So is there an else in here? Okay, there is. So we're going to do this because none of these other if statements show it. Well, I guess that's about it for this tutorial, guys. Please like it if you did, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.